With us now are Paul and Jesse, and they are with Specialty Portable X-Ray. Welcome to the show, guys. How are you?
Very good, thanks.
Now, you've had the company for 35 years.
Yes.
Fantastic. What made you decide to have a portable X-ray company?
I saw a need. I saw people being transferred to the hospital on stretchers and brought into the emergency room, and I thought I could do this portably in their home. And over the years, it's evolved into what it is today.
And how does the quality compare to like a hospital X-ray?
Now, it's as good as the hospital, and sometimes better than the hospital, because we can get closer to the patient and position them better. So it's the state of the art.
Now, I know when we met, I explained to you that I had a family member that had colon cancer, and we had to bring them down the stairs and try to get them into the ambulance. And it was just heartbreaking, and I still remember that to this day. So obviously there's benefits. What are some of the benefits to a portable X-ray company?
Well, it's way easier on the patient. The family doesn't have to schedule anything. We come and go. It takes about 15-20 minutes, and there's a lot less stress.
That's pretty good. And I guess, too, like you would avoid any hospital germs or infections that you might get from that.
And you just eliminate that. And the patient just feels better to be at home than to be in a scary hospital environment.
And a lot of times, too, if a patient's bedridden, you know, having to get them actually clothed, you know, you can't just bring somebody in their
down the steps,
right, blankets or anything. And it's nice because you go virtually anywhere in the tri-state area. You're at Long Island, you're in Queens, you're in New Jersey. So, and I know that somebody sent us a little clip. I know that you are doctor recommended. I always like that phrase, doctor recommended. And it's your good friend, Dr. Eric.
Yes. And he strictly uses our office for his x-rays because he knows when he calls us, we'll have our technician there within about 2 hours of his call, and he gets the results about an hour after that. So it's actually faster to use us than to send his patient out to the emergency room.
Fantastic. Let's look to see what he has to say. Dr. Eric?
All I do is I pick up the phone and I call 888 X-Ray Now. They come in, they shoot an X-ray. Within 24 hours, I get a result in my secure electronic portal, and the patient knows their results. Who would want to go to the hospital to get an X-ray? Or who wants to go and wait 4 hours in an X-ray department when you can have someone come to your home like 888 X-Ray Now?
That's fantastic. What a nice testimonial from him. And how can people reach you guys?
Well, it's really easy. They can just call our office number. It's 888 X-Ray Now. That's 888 X-Ray Now.
Okay. And do you do more than just X-rays, though, right?
Yes, we do. We do ultrasounds, Doppler studies, echocardiograms, EKGs, and pacemaker tests.
Wow. And all like certified technicians, or?
Yeah, we're board certified. The state comes in and inspects us on a biannual basis. Department of Health comes in. So we have to follow all the rules, and it works out great.
That's fantastic. And what about the cost? What is the cost to the patient?
It's pretty minimal, actually. It's less expensive than going to the hospital because we eliminate a lot of the fees associated with it. Transportation, the emergency room fee, and it's faster too. So.
And how portable is portable? So let's say I have an aunt and she lives in Queens and she's up 4 flights of stairs. Are you able to help that family?
Truly is portable. When we go to the 4th floor, those are the people that truly need our service, because to get them down 4 floors is nearly impossible. So yes, we just go up 1 step at a time, and we've gone to the 6th floor without elevators. We don't love those ones, but we'll get them done.
And can you share a special moment with us, like a family that you just, at the end of the day, you said, wow, I'm so glad that we were able to help them. I'm sure you have hundreds, but is there like one happy story that you could share with us?
I think of a pigeon lady.
Okay.
That when I went up to her room, she hadn't been out of her apartment for years, and she actually had pigeons in her room. There was a hole in the ceiling. And she was happy to see me. I'm the first person she's seen other than the aide that comes in years, other than a pigeon.
Oh, so she had like mental illness combined with a physical ailment.
And we were able to keep her there where she wanted to be, and it was a nice story.
That's absolutely fantastic. So the number again is pretty easy, right? It's 1-888
X-Ray Now.
Got it. 1-888 X-Ray Now. So Paul and Jesse, thank you so much for being a guest here on Live It Up. And again, my heartfelt appreciation for all that you do for families. It's really valuable. You're making a difference.
Thanks for having us.
Thank you.
Stay tuned for more on Live It Up. Portable X-rays, yes, from Specialty Portable X-Ray. Stay tuned for more.